Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to post PDF file on Facebook page. So if you have any sort of PDF file and you would like to share on Facebook, then I'll show you how you can do it. So first you have to open up your Facebook app, and once the Facebook app gets open and we get to this create post option, you can see we don't have the option for the PDF to upload. So in that case, what you have to do is that you have to simply get back and then you have to open your drive. There you have to upload your PDF file, because actually we cannot upload any PDF file on Facebook because there is no such option. So you have to simply upload it on your drive, and then you just have to simply make its link available for anyone. Like if anyone wants to see it, anyone can see it. Just simply copy that link, and after that you have to simply get to the Facebook. There you have to open any group wherever you would like to paste it, and once you get to that group you can just simply create that post and paste that link and simply post it. Then if someone likes it, it will click on the link and they will be on your drive and can see that PDF file. So that's how you can post PDF file on Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.